Can you really heal your ED permanently? I'm Dr. Trish Leigh, and in this video, I want to share with you, definitely, yes, you can. If there's an if. There's an if and a but to that absolute that I'm sharing with you. And in this video, I want you to know what that if is. You can absolutely heal your erectile dysfunction. In this video, I'm going to share with you a qualitative way that you can put some pieces together to figure out if there's likely brain dysfunction at play for you. But I'm also going to share with you a highly measurable way that you can see if you have arousal dysfunction in the brain. Stay here with me. I'm going to keep making content to help you heal your erectile dysfunction, but I want you to know 100% it can heal. 100%, not 99, 100. I got you, my friend. Stay with me. We can do this. Okay, control your brain or it will control you. I'll see you next time.